This video is about creating niche websites to bring a steady flow of passive income. Big organizations refer to the niche as a subset of a larger market. Small companies find a niche to be a distinguished group of people with distinct preferences and needs. Many established and new businesses enter into this specific market segment with a niche marketing strategy. Focus on a specific niche as it increases value in the client's eyes. Draw new clients and progress your business in the right direction. Show clients the range of deliverables that you are capable of producing or services you offer. Customers tend to look for proof that you understand their niche market. They want to feel like they are in expert hands. Your interest in a market niche shows your expertise and the quality of work. It's easy to build on past successes. Target a specific niche to position yourself in the market and gain the right clientele. A profitable niche site depends on search volume, competition, and bids for keywords. Use MS Keyword Tool or Google Ads Keyword Planner. Niche sites indexed between 100 to 400 times the search volume tend to be profitable. Create an authority website in the niche you select and are most passionate about. Make a list of top sellers or competitors and find long-tail keywords related to your niche. Rank your website with about 100 keyword phrases. Write blog posts or reviews on your website keywords for the selected niche. To gain credibility, follow a link building strategy for obtaining backlinks, which is a sign of trust. Create internal and external links for your site. For website SEO, use plugins for WordPress such as 1. Yoast or all-in-one SEO pack. 2. Include XML sitemap, supercatch, contact form, table of contents, website security, etc. Consider social media marketing channels offering a limited audience with specific users that can be used to engage with prospective customers in your niche market. Social media channels for niche markets, whether related to present or future growth, is a necessary investment. Follow a comprehensive content marketing strategy to 1. Identify your niche audience for engagement and driving traffic to your site. 2. Ensure website content is directly related to the needs of your audience. Diversify the income of your niche website monetization efforts that comes to your website from different sources such as ads, affiliate, membership, etc. For more details, log on to my blog website jobs.sapcanis.com/niche marketing strategy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Please visit our website jobs.sapcanis.com/niche marketing strategy.